All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So here we are. It's a lawnmower. So you guys know I have a lawnmower. I've never done a review of a lawnmower on my channel. I gotta admit I haven't. But when they reached out to me, I had to check it out in comparison to my own. I have a 21-inch brushless lawnmower. It's a lot bigger than this, but my neighbor, like two of my neighbors, actually have this size, and they cut their grass just like me. So this one's maybe a lot smaller, so I wanted to test it out. And I'm not gonna do a full lawn cutting because I've already cut the grass, but I'll go to an area around my house that, you know, might need a little trimming, where this smaller lawnmower might be able to fit in there a lot easier, because again, I have a 21-inch brushless lawnmower. So here it is, man. You've got a little 30-liter bag, 13-inch blade, 5 levels of cutting, the wheel diameter, and obviously it's a brushless motor. So they kind of have like this whole system, just like all the other companies, where you can actually get different tools. And I personally right now own pretty much everything I have on my system is that guy. And you can see they're all along the wall right there, and they're everywhere in my lawnmower and everything. So this is going to be different and eclectic. It has 5 levels of height. I'm a pretty tall guy. Here's the charging source looks like, and that's the battery. The great thing about this battery, this is a small setup, but it can be charged. So the running time on this is probably going to be about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. I have bigger batteries than mine, obviously, so mine can go for about an hour and a half or so. But let's give this thing a shot, man. Let's crack it open, and we're going to test it out. So this is what you get in the box right there. And mine is a 20-volt battery too. No, I think mine might be 60. Yeah, mine's 60. All right, let's go ahead and crack this open. Now, when you first crack it open, this is how it's greeted. This is what you're greeted with. Everything's pretty much already assembled. I just need to put the handles on. Yeah, looks like I just need to put the handles on and lift it up out of here, and we'll see. This is going to be the bag. All right. Yep, this is a little bit smaller than the bag I have on mine, but still, it's a nice size bag. And then this is connected, so I have to lift this out in one piece. So if you put together one lawnmower, you put together them all. It does have this very thick instruction manual, but it's nothing really to it. You just attach these right here, set your height. There's only 2 height adjustments. And then that's it. You snap it in here and each side, and that's it. Now, it does come with this. It comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a USB cable. Let's see. And this is what the battery looks like. You can see it's got a little bit of charge on it, so I won't have to charge it right now. I can just put it in and use it. This is how it's going to plug in, and it drops right in here, right there. So you do have a slot for 2 of them, so you could really get about an hour out of this thing if you decide to buy an extra battery. And the batteries don't cost that much. So putting the battery in, you just make sure it's lined up properly on the right side, and you put it in like that. Now up on the controls, here's where you'll set them, right here. One is forward, and then you press this lever right here to go. Now let's see how well this thing cuts. So to start it, looks like you press here and then hold the handle and it'll go. And we're gonna cut this little area right here. All right, so this is a very powerful mower. You can see it actually does very well. I'm going to get another bush. I have a couple more bushes along that side, so I'm going to get those. All right, guys, as we close out here, this lawnmower is actually pretty powerful, but like all lawnmowers, if you run into like a big stump or something like that, it could possibly get stuck. Even my larger one sometimes gets stuck. Now, I'm gonna need her to brush up on her grass cutting skills because she's definitely slipping there. But no, all jokes aside, yeah, this lawnmower would actually be great for people who are not very tall or very big, and it's super lightweight too. So I think this is going to be a good one, man. Down in the books, on those days that she decides she's going to actually help me cut the grass, this will be a great tool. So it's your man Jay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. This was actually a very nice lawnmower.